Craving something crispy, spicy and super tasty? Aloo Singara is the perfect nashta for you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. Aloo Singara is a golden crunchy triangle filled with spicy mashed potatoes that melts in your mouth with every bite. This popular street food is loved by all. Whether it's a rainy day or tea time, Aloo Singara makes everything better. The best part, you can easily make it at home with simple ingredients. So let's make the recipe. First of all, heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion and 2 finely chopped green chilies and saute for 1 minute. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes to the pan. Now add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh coriander leaves and mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Amchur powder over the mixture for a tangy flavor. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, remove from the heat and let it cool down completely. Now in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon Ajwain and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix everything very well. You can also use 1 tablespoon of ghee. Gradually add water as needed to form a smooth dough. Knead the dough well until it's soft but not sticky. Keep it aside to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now divide the rested dough into equal portions. Take one portion and roll it into a smooth ball, using a rolling pin to roll it into a thin round shape. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Cut the circle like this. I think making Aloo Singara like this is very easy. Now place the potato mixture. Now spread some water. Now fold it into a triangle shape as you can see. The best part of Aloo Singara is you just need some simple ingredients and it will become your all-time favorite. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully put a few prepared Aloo Singaras, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the Singaras until they turn golden brown and crispy on both sides, flipping them occasionally for even cooking. Serve hot Aloo Singaras with green chutney or ketchup as per your preference. Enjoy this crispy and flavorful nashta as a delightful tea time treat or as an appetizer for parties. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with more delicious recipes.